Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and welcome to this week's reading with me. If you're new to my channel, my dear Scorpio, I suggest you please do subscribe so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So let's get started. Let's see what's in store for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. It's a general reading, so may or may not resonate with everyone. All right. So let's see the beginning of the week, my dear Scorpios. Well. As you can see, this energy is the Scorpio energy itself at the beginning of the week. I'm seeing you are in your Scorpio energy. For some of you, you are just, it's like dying to yourself. For some of you, it's dying to yourself and a rebirth. Okay, so happy birthday, dear Scorpio. And because it is really a rebirth for some of the Scorpios who are born this week, I wish you a very happy birthday. Lots of blessings, lots of love, prosperity, peace, and healing be upon you from the divine. Amen. Yes, my dear Scorpio. So I am seeing that this the beginning of the week, I'm seeing some of the Scorpios will feel that as if it is their rebirth after a certain something happens and they are being born again. This is what I'm seeing for some of the Scorpios. For some of the Scorpios, I'm seeing there is an energy of ending over here. Either you are walking out of a job, you're resigning from a job, you're ending a job situation, or I would say a difficult job scenario ends for you. Some of you are ending a toxic relationship at the beginning of the week. You're walking out, or you're just clear cut breaking off from someone. This is what I see, my dear Scorpios, because you were not happy in that relationship, you were giving too much, or you were not being understood, so you are walking out. If it, especially if it was a bad marriage, I see the divorce for some of the Scorpios happening. I also see for some of the Scorpios that they are going to be a bit not really happy with the way things are going, either professionally or personally, or maybe even health wise. For some of the Scorpios, it can be a bit tiring. It is a bit tiring. Most probably, they have been working a lot, or traveling a lot, or have been eating a lot of sweets, my dear Scorpio. And because of that, you're a bit tired at this point of time. Your tummy is a bit tired. How much more are you going to give me to digest? The tummy is saying that at the beginning of the week. So nothing very serious, okay? And while some of the, yeah, those nice, yummy Diwali sweets, nice, huh? Temptation, 100% temptations, yes. But then it comes out like this at the beginning of the week, is like you're feeling like, I ate a bit too much, I overate, these kind of things. Well, for some of the Scorpios also, there can be somebody who was not well for very long is going to another realm now, leaving the earthly realm. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing for them. It will be a liberation. Yes, it is difficult when a loved one or someone we knew from long leaves the earth. For us is difficult, but if they have been suffering, then I really feel we feel bad, but somewhere inside of us we have to be happy in a way for them, because imagine how much they would suffer otherwise. Yeah, so it's like they are liberated now, they are free, they are happier. That attachment of the body and the soul is no more there, and because of that they don't feel the pain, because the pain is all in this material world. So if someone after a very long fight with a painful disease is going, then we have to wish them lot of happiness to that soul. Instead of feeling sad, we have to feel happier inside that now they are liberated and they will be more with us from that realm. All right, my dear Scorpios. So for some of the Scorpios, this also energy can show up in the first few days. While for some of the Scorpios, I also see that inside of them they are feeling a bit cloudy. Okay, the dark clouds are a bit more prominent at this point. So I would say light a lamp That would be the best thing. Instead of cursing the darkness, let's light a candle and let's light a lamp and let's get the brightness all around us. But all in all, whatever is ending is wonderful, because every end is the invitation to a new beginning, and there are no ends as such, right? There are just transitions, there are just passages that we go from one side to another, or from one job to another, or even if some kind of relationship that was not so fine and we were just dragging it for very long has to end, it has to end, my dear Scorpio, because there is no point in continuing being in a relationship where nobody is happy. Sometimes I have clients where only for their children, so much of sacrifice is there is for children. They are in toxic relationship with their partner and they are suffering every day. Then it comes to their body, they don't feel nice, they feel diseased in their body. And then why? Because my children need both the parents. But at the end of the day, let us also think that if the children are going to see the parents fighting all the time, not speaking to them each other in a good way, in a very respectable way, what are they going to learn? What is it going to give them at the end of the day, my dear Scorpio? Yes, so the children will imitate you in the long run. So let the imitation of them be something beautiful. So sometimes some things don't work out. Maybe sometimes two good people under the roof, but they don't get along well and they have to part their ways. So some things of this sort can also come the Scorpio way at the beginning of the week. Then the midweek is kind of a bit of challenge. Also, this is what I'm seeing, my dear Scorpios. This challenge is regarding some kind of provocation can come to you, some kind of administrative stuff that you will have to deal with, my dear Scorpio. That you have to deal with, or there can be some kind of people trying to just poke you in the wrong way, where you might react, where you might get aggressive with them. Best is yes, give them one or two words, but they have to be so strong that those people have to just stop over that, and they should not cross the barriers, okay? Cross the boundaries. Sometimes we have to set the boundaries, and in the midweek you will somewhere feel like setting boundaries, either with a loved one, either with a colleague, or it can be also some friend circle also, where you have to put things in their proper perspective and tell them, okay, this is the boundary and here you don't cross. Because what happens when the boundaries are crossed? Destruction takes place, right? A war starts, in short, right? So this is the energy of midweek. And I also see that some of the Scorpios will be dealing with a lot of paperwork, some kind of documents, administrative stuff, some legal stuff. It can be also it can be something related to your house, to some kind of taxes, or things like that also. So this is the energy, but don't get provoked, because there is a provocation energy, and save that energy that you would want to lash back on someone. Save it for something constructive, my dear Scorpio. And then at the end of the week, the weekend I'm seeing over here, it's a wonderful energy. You are under a very big protection. You can just stand in front of any challenge, and with your good reasoning power, come out victorious. With your good logic, you're coming out victorious. This is what is seen for the last days of the week, my dear Scorpio. And I'm also seeing that sentimentally, you're being very harmonious, you're being very loving and tender. You're also being very wise in the way you're dealing with your loved ones who need a lot of care and attention at this point of time. I'm also saying that your behavior is going to be really appreciated by a lot of people by the end of the week, because of the kind of wisdom that you're emitting at this point of time to deal with certain things, and that will be respected. You will become more respectable. You will shine brighter than your usual self. You will shine even brighter than your usual self. This is what is seen, my dear Scorpios. And I am also seeing that If you have been in a difficult job situation, then there are some positive changes that are going to happen by the weekend. Something positive is taking place at this point of time. And whatever the bad things, the jealousies, the provocations that had come your way are going to disappear by the weekend. They will be taken care of because you will be protected. You have a divine protection upon you, so you don't have to worry about anything, my dear Scorpio. And I feel this is a very wonderful energy, and some kind of very reassuring news can come your way by the weekend. Wow, it's going to be quite a week, my dear Scorpios. And what comes to my mind when I see all these energy cards? Well, the magic is within you. You have to work it out. It's all about the magic. The magic is inside of us. We all are magic if we have to really see. I mean, we can create, we can destroy, we can laugh, we can cry. I mean, everything is magic if you see, isn't it? Everything is magic. And this is what you have to work out this week. No matter what the situation arises this week, you will have the power to work your magic to resolve that particular situation. Resolve it with that innate X-ray intuition that you have. X-ray eyes and that intuition, you can resolve any matter, whatever arises this week. You have lots of abilities inside of you, magical abilities to overcome certain challenges this week, my dear Scorpios. And it's something very wonderful. You will have to decide this week is what I want to accept and what I'm not going to accept, and work things accordingly. I would almost suggest you practice manifestation techniques this week in order to attain that powerful magical effect that you want in your life. I would say go for some magical manifestation techniques, and there are so many techniques. I have done one video on the 2-cup method also, and I have also told you how my manifestation journey has been so far. So I would like you to see the video if possible, but I would like you to work on the manifestation techniques and bring this magic into reality in your life, and have steady faith inside of you that a positive outcome is going to come. All right, there will be a positive outcome to things. Don't give up. Don't feel like just because sometimes we are not in a good mood, we ourselves give bad energy or negative energy to something. Just because we are not fine, we utter some words, and those words are magic. Everything is magic, as I said. When we speak something nice happens. But if we keep repeating something which is not nice, that will also happen. So be very careful what you speak this week and work your magic, my dear Scorpios. So thank you for listening. Please do like, share and comment, and I shall see you next week. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye. God bless.